Okay, suppose you have this street that started out tiny but evolved into a commercial corridor and got really busy, and engineers widened it out for cars, and it became really auto-oriented and very ugly. And now your businesses along there are struggling and they want to reinvent to something more like this to help them survive, but it's going to take more right-of-way, and everybody is concerned about the impacts of that. So this is a perfect application for the StreetPlan's aerial viewer. So you go to this aerial view icon and click that, and that loads the aerial view into the aerial view builder. From here you just type the city, Bountiful, Utah, and you do zoom into the street that you want. So here this would be 500 South. So now you click Create Street, and Washington Boulevard is not the street that we're trying to do, so click that and hit 500 South. Step 2, the line that you're going to draw represents what? The center line, the right edge, or the left edge of the roadway. So we'll say center line. And then step 3, start building. Okay, I'm going to push that. And once I do that, then it puts me, the red around it shows me I'm in building mode. And I put a click down there, click again, and pull. Click again, pull it along, click again to stop at 200 West. Finish building. Okay, so at the moment it thinks that I've defined the right edge. I thought I defined the center, but maybe that's a bug. So now I'm back here to the beginning of the road, and if I roll over it I can click on this labels thing and it tells me what to do. It says if you roll the mouse over this space, it'll show you what all of the different features are. So I've got furniture and landscape area that's 5.5 feet. I've got a gutter that's 2.5 feet. Transit vehicle lane 10 feet, so it shows you all of that. Here I can click on this icon and it'll show a cross-section view of what is intended as well as what's already there. And I can also edit the street again using this pencil. So right now it's showing the roadway with colors representing the material, the kind of material that is being used, and I can change that. And if I click on the type to see the options here, it shows me that anything that's furniture and landscape would be green, bikeway is blue. If I click on this right-of-way only, which is currently selected, I can also set a transparency. So if I say 50% transparent, so when I try this edges only option, what it does is it takes the center line that I drew and draws an offset that's 50 feet on either side of that, so the whole 100-foot right-of-way that I think I want to do, and it shows me effectively the impact that I will incur if I do that. Now in this case it's a lot of parking and a little bit of messing up some of the access to things, so there may be some businesses that would have to be acquired if they can't be redesigned. And parking, if it's too much to lose, then you may need to come up with a parking plan to help restore businesses. I don't know, but if enough business owners are behind it, there might be something you can do. This helps you start to understand just how difficult this could be. So for in this case, you'll hit this entire business and part of this one, and you might either need to come down here and take out this row of parking, or just accept that there's a few businesses you'd have to acquire. So that's a little bit about the aerial viewer and how you can use that to help you see not only the cross section as shown here, but the implications of that cross section in the real space.